How to hard factory reset your Ozlo Sleepbuds. Now you may want to do this hard reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these earbuds are not pairing with your phone, or if they're not connecting or not responding or not syncing. Anything like this can very often be fixed with a factory reset, including only getting sound out of one ear, the left ear or the right ear. The second reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason where you want to wipe all the pairing history off of them, force it to unpair from everything so that you can start fresh. We can go ahead and do this quite simply. All we want to do is put our earbuds in the case, close the case, and we're going to need a paper clip or something, and we're going to come and find this depressed button here, this hole right here, and we're going to press our paper clip into that button and hold it for about a second and then release it. Once we do that, we can go ahead and slide open our case as shown here, and you can just keep an eye on the lights, and basically the earbuds will reboot, and then you will notice it will start to blink like it is pairing when it automatically goes into pairing mode. Like when you're setting it up for the first time, you can go ahead and pair them like they're a brand new set of earbuds. And if you're interested in a new pair of these earbuds, I'll put a link in the description to where you can get them.